What caught our eyes was the 42SMART multimeter. First, let's take a look at its details. It printed its measurement functions and supporting units, and there is a rotating bracket on the back. This multimeter has a screen backlight function and can be used in dim environments. Next, let's test its function. 42SMART comes with a pair of test leads. Because it is an automatic range, we don't need to select the range and unit. Turn on the backlight function, and you can see the measurement result in less than 2 seconds. 42SMART. Support measurement, resistance measurement, capacitance measurement, on-off detection, non-contact AC voltage detection and diode on-off test. It also supports testing AC and DC.